Hi, I'm here on this sunny Southern California day at 11525 Java Street in Cypress. This beautiful home has so many unique features I can't wait to share with you, but first I want to show you my favorite. This house is right next to Eucalyptus Park. This park has a lot of green grass to kick a soccer ball around. It has a playground, a basketball court, and it's just very quiet and serene. Lots of trees. The street over there goes directly to the Naval Golf Course and is mostly used by the residents who live in this tract. Another thing I love about this house is this great cul-de-sac location. It's very quiet. This house has curb appeal. Let's go take a look inside. As you enter the home, you're greeted with lots of natural light. There's a formal living room, a formal dining room, vaulted ceilings, floating stairs to the second story. And now let's go see the kitchen and downstairs bedroom. This large kitchen has lots of windows, giving you even more natural light. We have a walk-in pantry with barn doors, and also downstairs, one bedroom, one full bathroom, direct access to the garage, and a sunroom. I can't wait to show you all the bedrooms upstairs and also this massive loft bonus room. You're gonna love it. Let's go. I really love this oversized bonus room. It could be a game room, a screening room, a playroom, really anything you want. The best part, in my opinion, is this view of the park. The front and backyard feature turf, which is going to save you on your water bill, and also a greenhouse if you choose to use it. One of my favorite parts about the backyard is the trees, because we have the park behind us. Thank you so much for touring this home with me. If you have any questions or you'd like to have a personal tour, please call me.